Good morning. It's lovely to stand in front of you at the last but one day of term.
Yay.
I thought I was the happiest person in the room about that, but I think we all share a little bit of joy that we're coming to the end of a hard term. Terms are always hard because you're working hard. That's the point. So you do need to pat yourself on the back next week, have some downtime, get together with your friends. If you're going home, hold your family tight and enjoy being back there in the bosom of your family. I shall certainly be doing that. I'm going to see my parents this weekend, and that's a very important part for us, isn't it, to connect up with the ones we love. When you joined the school, whether it was recently or some years ago, you may have heard me talk about community. You may have heard other staff talk about community. So it's a very important word, and it means us together, very simply, the school community. It's a very important notion to us, because people in this room have come from 40 different countries, plus me, 41 different countries. I'm from Wales. We have a lot of differences in our backgrounds, a lot of different languages, but we have formed a community together. And when I stand in the assembly, I feel so proud of you guys for working together so well and for making a genuine community. Things such as the house points, fantastic. We didn't have a house structure 2 years ago. Look at that, brilliant. That's you taking part together. And your lesson attendance, to get up to those heights now, is fantastic. So I think you should give yourselves a big round of applause for the end of a fantastic term. Well done for building the Abbey community. I think also I would like to point to just a one or two to the Easter Bunny who has oh no! To the Easter, and back! To the Easter Bunny and Fiona for the assembly this morning. Thank you so much for that wonderful assembly, I believe it is. An assembly that highlights the community, that shows us each other's work. Brilliant. And also, perhaps take a moment as well to remember and thank those around you who are helping you. We've got folk from boarding and accommodation this morning, Amy, Stephanie, we have Helen, Winter, it's at the back here, Helen, Mike from accommodation, and your tutors. So the adults working here are doing an amazing job. And when I see you guys up on the stage, you tutors, I think to myself, my word, we've done well. We've done well, haven't we? To form this school with you guys here. So for all of the staff in the room, my thank you. And guys, let's thank everybody who's helping us out in the school today. Thank you so much.